Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we're going to show you how to test a window motor on Mazda. Doesn't matter which window motor, front, rear, the procedure is about the same on any Mazda guys. So we have that window motor that we need to test. The window doesn't go up and down, and as a result we need to see if it's the motor, if it's a switch. It could be a master switch, because if the master, the front left switch doesn't work, the rear will not work as well. So all we need is 2 alligator clips now guys. Okay, we're going to show you in just a minute, and we're going to go ahead, open the hood of the car. Okay, open the hood, let's find where the thing was, and we're going to support it now because we need access to the battery. We have guys more than 200 videos, okay, on every Mazda car that we get at the shop, more than 200 videos, so please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos. Now, all we need to do, every motor, almost every motor has 2 wires, okay, you can see, most of the times you have only 2 wires, and one is positive, one is negative. When you flip them, the motor will go counterclockwise, okay, the opposite direction. So depending on where you place the negative and the positive. So it doesn't matter usually where you place them if you have only 2 wires. So now, if we touch, okay, the battery terminals now with one cable, positive, one negative, check what's going to happen. The motor is going counterclockwise. Now if we flip the negative and the positive, it's going to go clockwise, because it needs to go both directions so it can bring the window up or down. So you can see our motor is definitely good, so our problem is somewhere else in the system. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you need help with anything specific, don't hesitate to drop a comment. We'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.